Hello YouTube viewers and welcome back to ITZsharky's Arts. Today I have for you a Speed GFX of a banner that I did for one of the contest giveaway winners back in like May or April-ish. And so then this, I love the color scheme of it. He asked for things more along the purple side and he just gave me creative freedom. The background is done from scratch and the concept obviously is completely original, but this was done for MR-EPICNESS21 in all caps, because that's how he wanted it. And yeah, but I'm proud of this banner. It's one of the best ones I've done. Anyways, if you like this banner and you like the concept I did with it, be sure to stick to the end and then leave a like. Comment down if you like to see more Speed GFX things like this, because if I keep on getting positive feedback, I'll try and do more. Share with your friends, maybe they find graphics being done fast cool, and subscribe if you're new around here. I'm working on making speed art stuff videos every week at 5 o'clock Central, and if you're subscribed and you have notifications on, you'll be notified each time I upload. Anyways, my name is ITZsharky, and I'll see you all later.
See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together.